Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Let's take a look at the short time frame account because not too much happened, but we see a bit of upside today in crypto. We've got some breakouts here and there, which is good, which is a little bit less boring than I thought the weekend would be. First of all, let's highlight here that what we have on the chart could be, it's not terribly well defined, but it could be a so-called ascending wedge that is not really a bullish structure. Okay, so it looks very corrective. Might be, if price adheres to it, that the chart will not be able to get into this resistance area. So it's currently following the count, and it did hold support here, this orange support area, and it didn't break below it, so we expected further upside. Into resistance would be ideal for some clarity. But what I will do as well, I will add the 38.2 retracement level now. Not that I think it's a very likely resistance area, but it's certainly one where we see a reaction. And actually what you can see is this is the area I pointed out before where we have structural resistance. So here we got touch point here on the 2nd of June, another one on the 2nd of June, another one on the 2nd of June, here rejection on the 3rd of June. Now we're again fighting with that level. I called it yesterday the 27,360 level, but then again, you know, it's not that terribly well defined. But if we add the fib level, you can it reveals basically the level at 27,267. So here as well, yeah. So it's this level that needs to be overcome for further upside. We're just at this breakout point. And this breakout, though, would not necessarily be bullish, but it would unlock higher prices first to probably 27,500, 27,730, and 28,050. I don't know if we get all the way up there, because if we measure the Fibonacci extensions of this move, which I see as an ABC structure, then it could move, first of all, to 27,680, the 1-to-1 ratio, very close to the golden ratio of the retracement area. So yeah, I mean, at the moment it's following this count where it looks a bit like, okay, you know, we moved up. That's what we talked about in the previous video. We moved up in an A wave. This is an A, B, C structure in a B wave. We did hold B wave support, so we could now be moving up in this C wave, and might be, as I said, maybe a 1-2 already complete down there. I think we looked in the previous video at the Fibonacci extensions that should be reached in this third wave. We took the length of the wave 1 to the low of the wave 2, and oh, it actually reached it, didn't it? So we looked at the 1.618 extension at 27,240 or 250 roughly. And yeah, this was the target we highlighted in the last video. So it could very well be that this third is over now. It's not entirely clear to me, but maybe here, yeah, because then you have another small 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in wave 3, wave 4 in the making now, and the wave 5 to come. Please note that this micro counting is not so reliable. It's extremely dangerous to focus on the lower time frame counts in this, you know, on the 30-minute chart, but it gives us some orientation, and it could indicate what I said, you know, one more push here into resistance. Not sure if we reach the 50% fib level, and then a rejection down. So I'm watching that with interest. It's not impulsive on the way down. So it overall looks like an ABC structure to me, but the overall view is and remains and has been that as long as we stay below the 28,050 level, the focus is on down. Only above that, we have some further upside in a different structure. Bitcoin certainly struggling more than, for example, Ethereum, yeah. Yeah, I mean, what you cannot rule out is that we get an extension of the B wave. Absolutely cannot rule that out. That would still not necessarily be bullish. It would just mean a larger bounce, but I will not really bring that onto the table until I see strong signs that the 28,050 level is going to be broken. And why I'm still focused on the downside, I explained that in previous videos. I will do a longer one later today, maybe towards the end of the weekly candle close, but for now, let's just leave it at that. What I certainly see, I mean, there's some signals that look similar to what it did down here, right? Bit of a corrective start, and then it just got that final push to the upside. Then we just need to see how high it goes. If it goes above 28,050, then it will probably, you know, extend the B wave. But if it just reaches sort of this area, it just counts as wave 2 with an immediate sell-off afterwards in a third wave. So yeah, I'll keep you updated. Hope you liked the update about Bitcoin. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.